Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales with a fresh arrival. This one just off the hitch and a new unit that we don't typically see here. Our friends up at RV World typically carry the Aspen Trail line, but we've got a few of them down here on the Leisure Time lots as well. This one, a 2022 2880 RKS Aspen Trail by Dutchman. With a nice outdoor kitchen on this one. It is a couples camper. We'll take a look inside in just a second, but nice to see that outdoor kitchen in the couples unit too, because that's typically something that they will hide underneath a bunk. So we'll take a look at how they did it when we get inside. You've got a nice slippered solid step to get in. Really like that. Outdoor speakers, nice big awning on this one. Look at how nice and bright it is inside too. Really like that. Nice big windows on the slide. Got a pull-out couch here. Drop-down dinette. Again, great view with the windows. Balances over top to hide the blackout shades, which we really like. Rear kitchen model though, and that's how they managed to get that outdoor kitchen. Everything's plumbed into the corner, but you've got great counter space here, high-rise faucet, stainless steel sink, great storage underneath. 3-burner cooktop with an oven underneath, microwave above. Got a 12-volt fridge in this one. Gives you all kinds of space, good storage off to the right. Got a little bit of a pantry space there. And again, that great storage above. All the way through. Now, look at the social space. You've got a fireplace built into this one, a spot for a TV, more storage above, a little bit of storage below. 2 beautiful Thomas Paine recliners. Get yourself nice and comfortable. And really, you step back, and I often talk about the benefit of the nice social space, but you've got the couch and the chairs right across from each other, not too far, obviously, from the dinette. Really nice open space if you want to sit and hang out. Again, love the bright colors and all that floor space you get with that big slide. Take a look at the front of the camper. As we walk through, see a nice well-appointed bathroom here. You've got a foot flush toilet, 3 glass panels, sliding glass shower door, skylight above, really brightens things up. Good size sink, little storage below, some storage off to the right that's open, and a medicine cabinet for a good size, well-appointed bathroom. Lots of space in there. Coming to the front of the camper, you've got a queen bed, shirt closets on either side, a little bit of storage above. Good shelf space with some plug-ins there and a charger station over there on this side of the camper. And we really like this too. You've got a built-in wardrobe to keep everything up and out of the way and give you a little bit of extra storage space. And all that is nice and open thanks to the sliding doors that they're using here in this unit. That barn-style door really opens things up. So come on and take a look, folks. This one, a beautiful rear kitchen design. Aspen Trail 2880 RKS. Available here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. Spring is upon us. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to help you pick out a unit for yourselves as well. Some great options on both lots. Come on down and see us. We'll get you out camping as soon as we can.